Welcome to our channel Handy Worksheets. In this video, we are going to learn lesson 7, Clever Fox and Greedy Wolf. And also we'll do the exercise part. Okay, let's listen the story first. There was a huge forest. Many animals were lived in the forest. One day, a fox met a wolf in the forest. The fox was very clever and the wolf was very greedy. The wolf said, I am hungry. I am going to eat you up. The fox was frightened and said, Don't eat me. Please don't. The fox cried. Again, the wolf said the same. So the fox got an idea, then said, Come with me, I will find some food for you. The wolf agreed. Then the fox took the wolf to an old house. They looked through the kitchen window. There was a woman putting cakes on a shelf. The wolf said, Look at the food. The woman went out of the kitchen and shut the door. The wolf said that they can't get in. The fox said that to be quiet. The kitchen window is too small to enter the kitchen. The fox opened the window and climbed through the window because the fox is smaller than the wolf. So it is easily enter the kitchen through that small window. After that, the fox asked to come inside to the wolf. Now they both are eat the cakes. Then the fox ate one cake and took three cakes and put them outside the window. The wolf was very greedy. First he ate one cake and ate another one and another one. Like this, the wolf ate 8 cakes, but he did not stop to eat. Suddenly, the woman came into the kitchen and shouted, What are you doing here? Have you eaten my cakes? Then the woman picked up the rolling pin. Suddenly, the fox jumped through the window, then picked up the three cakes which were thrown by him and ran away. But what happened to the greedy wolf? He was too fat. He could not get through the window because he ate lot of cakes, so he can't go outside through the small window. He stuck in kitchen. Okay, now what do you learn from this story? Yes, we never be greedy like the wolf and be clever and be smart like the fox. Also have to save some for our future like how the fox thrown three cakes for later use. Lesson 7, Clever Fox and Greedy Wolf. A clever fox met a greedy wolf in the forest. I am hungry, growled the wolf. I am going to eat you up. The fox was frightened. Don't eat me, Mr. Wolf. Please don't, cried the fox. Why not? Roared the wolf. I am hungry. The fox had an idea. Come with me, said the fox. I will find you some food. The fox took the wolf to an old house. They looked through the kitchen window. Aha, said the wolf. Look at the food. In the kitchen, a woman was putting cakes on a shelf. She went out of the kitchen and shut the door. We can't get in, said the wolf. Shh, be quiet, whispered the fox. The kitchen window was very small. The fox opened it. He climbed through the window. Come inside, said the fox to the wolf. The wolf climbed inside. The fox and the wolf started to eat the cakes. The fox ate one cake, then the fox took three cakes and put them outside the window. The wolf was greedy. He ate one cake, chop, chop, chop. Then he ate another cake and another and another. The wolf ate 8 cakes but still did not stop. Suddenly, the woman came into the kitchen. "What are you doing here?" shouted the woman. "Have you eaten my cakes?" The woman picked up a rolling pin. The fox jumped through the small window. He picked up the three cakes and ran away. The greedy wolf was too fat. He could not get through the window. Oh dear, what did the poor wolf pick up? Okay, now let's do the comprehension part. Listen, comprehension. Talk about these questions. Who was clever? How was he clever? The fox was clever because he knew that the greedy wolf would get stuck, so the fox tricked the wolf. Okay. Who was greedy? How was he greedy? Obviously, who was greedy? The wolf was greedy because he took more cakes than he needed, so the wolf was greedy. Who could not get through the small window? Why not? The greedy wolf would not get through the small window because he ate lots of cakes and became too fat to fit through the window because the window is small enough. So the wolf can't get into the window. What do you think happened to the wolf? What do you think? The wolf was hungry, so he wanted to eat the fox. What lesson do we learn from the story? We learn that we should not be greedy. Okay? We never should not be greedy. Then complete the sentences, use words from the story. The fox was dash of the wolf. The fox was frightened of the wolf. The fox dashed the wolf to an old house. The fox took the wolf to an old house. The woman was dash cakes on a shelf. The woman was putting cakes on a shelf. The woman went out of the kitchen. The fox jumped through the small window. Okay. Okay, now working with words. Match the words in column A with the opposite meaning in column B. What we have to do? Match the opposite words in A column to B column. Okay. Let's read in the words. A column. Sitting inside, asleep, more dirty. In B column, awake, less, standing, clean, outside. Okay, let's see. Sitting. What is the opposite word of sitting? Standing. So match sitting to standing. Same as inside, outside, asleep. Opposite word is awake, more, less, dirt. What is the opposite word? Dirty, clean. Okay. Let's see the answers in slides. Hope this video is helpful to you to learn the lesson Clever Fox and Greedy Wolf and also do the exercise part. If you like this video, kindly subscribe our channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon to get further notifications. Thank you.